Welcome to the KgBase onboarding video. To get started, all you have to do is click the Add New button on the top left-hand corner to create your project. We'll title this project Test 1. You can also add a description, decide whether you want it to be public or private, and choose the color of your folder. Once your project is created, it will take you to the data side. Now your data needs to be cleaned and in a CSV file format. There must be no empty columns in your data file. Once it's ready, you can import your CSV file by clicking on the top right-hand corner gear button. This is where you'll be able to create the columns for your table. If your CSV file already has headers for the different columns, you can easily import those by clicking on the box Create Columns. Now the upload process should only take less than 30 seconds. Here you can see the progress of your data being uploaded. Now you can see all of your information uploaded into the table format, from title, authors, year, etc. From the table format is where you will begin to create your relationships, to visualize it on the graph. For example, with this spreadsheet, we want to look at the trends between the authors and the different titles that they are correlating with. Therefore, we can create a relationship from the authors column by clicking on the top 3 buttons here. We'll click To Relationship, and then you want to click To Many Relationships. Now this is because we want to separate all the authors into individual author names. You can do this by clicking on the delimiter. The delimiter will be the symbol that separates the different authors, and for this example, it is a semicolon. Now you can see all of the authors that are converted into relationships here. To visualize your data on the graph, you can choose what you want to see from the table. For this example, we'll choose title. You can also choose the image shape and do the same thing for authors. Now on the graph view, you'll be able to see the relationships between the authors and the titles. For example, if you click on one node and focus on it, you can see all the different research projects and papers that this author worked on. You can also click on the individual research paper to then see all the different authors that contributed to it. Within this format, you can also add filters, groups, and aggregations. Your relationships will be shown in the Schema tab. Since we only converted the authors, that's the one that is viewed here. For more information or help with your onboarding process, please contact us and email us with any questions.